besties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Today's Wednesday, January 12th, and I don't know what I'm gonna do today. So by the title of this video, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do, but right now filming, I have no idea. But whatever, today I'm filming another productive day in my life because you guys seem to like the last one that I did, and I'm still kind of like planning book videos. Because honestly, you guys, since December, I did so many book recommendation videos that now I'm like, what am I gonna do? Like, I did so many book recommendation videos. So I actually just asked you guys on my Instagram story what videos you want to see, and most of you are saying like, or day in my lives, or vlogs, or like reading vlogs, or like obviously book recommendation videos. So I'm really trying to I'm trying to see what I'm gonna do. But let's start this vlog a little bit different because honestly, okay, so a few weeks ago I ordered some things from Sephora and they arrived yesterday, and I'm so obsessed that I want to show you guys and do like a little Sephora haul because honestly, I'm obsessed. Let me go get the things and we'll start the haul, okay? Okay. So I just realized that I also have kind of like a book haul slash PR book haul. So let's get to it because I am so excited. Okay, first of all, I bought some new makeup and I'm wearing it today. I'm perfecting my makeup routine, you guys. And honestly, I'm proud of myself. I think it looks good. I'm gonna do like a morning routine, and in there I'm gonna show you like my actual makeup routine. I bought the famous Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, kind of like a foundation. It's kind of like people use it as a foundation, I think, but this is it. First of all, this is kind of expensive. Charlotte Tilbury is so good. Like, their products are so good, but they're very pricey. This is it. It looks a little bit dark for my skin tone, which, yeah, it's a little bit dark for my skin tone. I did not do a great job at color matching myself, but I actually like use this and I combine it with a lighter foundation, so it looks like this, which I think it looks good. But I got the shade 2.5 Fair Pale, which honestly, I think this is a bit too dark to be fair pale. But whatever, it looks awesome. It looks so like dewy and your skin looks all healthy and stuff. I'm obsessed. Okay, I bought a lot of like skincare, hair products, not so much makeup. The only other product, like makeup product that I bought is a setting powder from Ilia Cosmetics. Let me go get it. Okay, I'm back. So I got the Ilia Soft Focus Finishing Powder because I have a reason. Because I've actually been using like forever Laura Mercier setting powder, but I literally like a few weeks ago saw a TikTok video of why people stopped using the Laura Mercier setting powder, and I was like, oh, because it kind of has like bad ingredients overall for your skin, and I was like, that's not good. So I decided to try out a new setting powder. This had amazing reviews, so I bought it. This is it. It's tiny. It's really tiny for the price. Okay, so my thoughts on this is I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I'm kind of in between. I still need to try it out a little bit more to like say if I really like it or not, because right now it's kind of like, okay, like I prefer the Laura Mercier powder, honestly. But I think it's because it's too white. Like, it's a white powder. And it smells kind of funny. I don't know. I'm kind of like still seeing if I like it or not. But yeah, I got this one. This is the other makeup product that I got because besides this and the Flawless Filter, I didn't buy any other makeup. So let me get into like skincare, kind of like hair products, all that stuff. So I did my research on the Olaplex products. because I've heard so many things about the Olaplex products, but I never like tried anything out from their brand, and I decided to get the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. So these are the two. These bottles are tiny. Look at my hand. They're tiny, but I'm thinking you really need like a really small amount for your entire hair. And also from Olaplex, I got the hair Olaplex number 7 bonding oil, because this has been all over my For You page on TikTok, and like people love it and they say that it does wonders for your hair. And honestly, I've never colored my hair, so I know that my hair is not that damaged, but I do wash my hair every single day, so that really like that sometimes leaves my hair a little bit dry and the ends are kind of dry. So I decided to get this, and I never put anything like any hair products on my hair, so it's been really interesting, but I love it because first, the smell is amazing. I love the smell. The consistency of the oil is not too oily. I've been loving it because you really need a small amount. You use this when your hair is like damped after you shower, and I love it. Honestly, it makes a difference. I really think it's making a difference. Those are all the products that I got for my hair. I'm really trying to I'm trying to perfect my skincare routine and start a hair care routine because I do not have that, but I'm starting now. And let's get to skincare because I bought a few things skincare and I'm so excited. Actually, yesterday I went to the dermatologist because I hadn't gone in a while and my skin has been acting up so much. I will do a story time on that if you want, you guys. Over here on my back, I don't think you can see it because I have like full makeup on, but I have over here, it's really bumpy, and I also have rosacea, so that combination does not go well. So I went to the dermatologist and she sent me like a few products, so I'm kind of waiting to do like a proper skincare routine to see if the actual like products that I just started using will help my skin. You know what I mean? So besides that, I got some things. Okay, so for like taking off my makeup, because that's really important, I bought the Inky List Oat Cleansing Balm, and it's like a balm consistency. It's amazing. I am so obsessed with this. I usually like grab a cloth with water and just take my makeup off, but I've been realizing that I'm gonna get wrinkles at like 28 if I keep doing that, so I bought this and it's amazing. It takes off your makeup so quickly. I love this brand because it's not expensive at all, so it's a really affordable skincare brand. So I am pumped about this. I'm using it and I love it. Okay, and the last two things that I got I don't know how you pronounce this, but I got this lip sleepy mask. But this, you guys, I love it. I completely love this product. It's worth the hype. I get it. I get the freaking hype. I'm a person that when I like go to sleep, I need to put some chapstick on my lips or something, because if not, my lips get super dry, and honestly, it's so irritating and it annoys me and I'm so uncomfortable. So I always use like a regular chapstick. But I decided to try this out and see if it was like worth the hype. And you guys, it is. It's so worth the hype. Okay, and the last product that I got is it's the iDuty Niacinamide brightening cream, eye cream. It's an eye cream, but with niacinamide from First Aid Beauty, and it's a tiny bottle. But I got this because Hiram here on YouTube raves about this product. So I was like, okay, maybe I will get it just to try it out. And I got it. And honestly, I'm also loving it. I'm so happy with all my purchases. So yeah, those are all the products that I got from Sephora. Let's go to my book haul / PR book haul. So I have these books, but honestly the only book that I bought that I'm so excited for, and I only bought this one because I was gonna buy like 3 more books, but you guys, this is Wait For You by Mariana Zapata, which I've heard incredible things, but Mariana Zapata's books are expensive. Like this book, I know they're so chunky and they're long, but this book was like, I don't know, like $22, $23 and like more with the shipping. So just this book was that much. But I've never read anything by Mariana Zapata and I really wanted to try one of her books out. So I am so excited to read this. Okay, so I had to stop filming for a sec. I'm back. But I was talking about Mariana Zapata and this is Wait For You. I am so excited to read this. But yeah, this is the only book that I bought. And I'm going to show you guys some books that I received. Okay, so I received this book. This is All I Want by Darcy Bell. It looks interesting. It looks like a romance. And it's really short, so let's see. Let's read this 3 lines. So it says, a beautiful mansion with a storied past. A charming, close-knit community. It's all she ever wanted, but buyer beware. It looks like a romance, but it also kind of looks like it has suspense. So we'll see. Thank you, Darcy Bell, for sending me this. Okay, so this next book I was sent by the author PR Maxi. And this is Until Death. Also a psychological thriller suspense kind of thing. Yeah, a thriller, I would say. I don't really have a lot of like psychological thrillers or thrillers for that matter, so now my collection is growing. And next I got Before We Were Blue by E.J. Schwartz. I don't know what this book is about. At Recovery and Relief, a treatment center for girls with eating disorders. So I would say it's the whole concept of the book, Before We Were Blue. Thank you, E.J. Schwartz, for sending me your book. So the last one was sent to me by Atria Books, but it's by Elizabeth McNeil. It's The Circus of Wonders. Yeah, Wonders. And this book is huge, but it looks interesting. So this book is set in the 1860s in England, and the whole concept is like a circus, so it's gonna be interesting. Thank you so much, Atria Books and Elizabeth McNeil. I'm really excited. So those are all the books that I have for my little haul slash PR haul. And today's Wednesday and I have a few assignments that I need to turn in today for school. If you haven't watched my last video, which is the first day of spring classes, spring semester, you should go watch that because I explain everything about my school and what I do and what I study in my classes and everything in that video. So if you want to go see that, I will leave the link down below. But as I said, I need to do homework for today, but I will get back to you when I finish my schoolwork and everything. And I also have to do the podcast episode today because tomorrow is Thursday and it's the first podcast episode of the year. So I want to do that, and yeah, that is going to be the video. If you want more vlogs, if you want more book recommendations, reading vlogs, all that stuff, go ahead and subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos. But yeah, I will get back to you when I start organizing my bookshelf.
I'm so excited.
Okay, so I just finished all of my schoolwork for today, so I'm really happy about that. I did 2 quizzes for my human biology class. I did an assignment for my theater appreciation class, and I also took notes of both human biology and designing communication strategies. So yeah, and now let's get to the fun stuff. We're gonna reorganize and kind of decorate my first bookshelf that I ever had, which I'm gonna show you in just a sec. But let's see what I come up with. Okay, so the bookshelf that I'm going to be reorganizing is this one in this corner. Is the one on the right, because I have the book cart also here, but it's the one on the right. So that is how it looks. It has no decorations. I do have things on the walls, which I'm gonna leave because I love. But the actual bookshelf, I do not like one bit. So let's get to reorganizing.
Oh, corks and bottles, ready to pop out. Oh, no more crying. We are knocking out another year of new loves.